Welcome to our aircraft assembly plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how airplanes are built, step by step. Advanced composite materials are carefully engineered to create lightweight yet incredibly strong aircraft structures. Each aircraft section is assembled with extreme precision to ensure maximum safety and performance. Every airplane undergoes rigorous testing and inspection before entering service.
And that's how airplanes are assembled, from raw materials to the skies.